We are pleased to show you the 2010 CX-9. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, climate control, cloth upholstery. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.